Okay, this is gonna be a like a tutorial, like tips and tricks, whatever, you know. So let's say you have a code like age equals int input what is your age, and then it just prints yeah you are age years old, and also by the way, this same thing as you are plus age plus years old, but this one's just more convenient. And also maybe we should format this better. So yeah, so if we run it, it's gonna say like what is your age? We can put 29, and it'll say you are 29 years old. But let's say, I don't know, the user was just typing letters, right? It'll give us a value error, and it's gonna stop the code. So how do we make it so that if it's a value error, it'll give us a message like, please give us an integer? Well, so first let's make a variable called success. Basically, once this line runs, we'll make success equals 1, and then that'll indicate that the code worked. But at the beginning, we don't know if the code worked yet, so we'll put it as 0. And then so we can say while success equals 0. So this code is going to run until success does not equal 0. So when it equals 1, I guess. And then, so, I mean, this will work, like if we do this, but it'll also give us a value error, right? But this will just go forever, as you can see. And then, so, how do we make it, like, say something when we get a value error? So we're going to do try. So we're going to try to run this, but as you see here, value error. So we're going to say except value error. So if we get a value error, then enter integer. If we get a value error, this code's going to run. And then, so here, if this doesn't work, we don't have to put this, but we can just say success equals 0. So like we can say that it didn't work, and then this will keep trying to do it. But if it did work, we can make success equals 1. So once this runs right here, it'll stop looping forever. So let's say we did what is your age, and let's say we said something weird like df, then it'll say please enter an integer, and I mean it'll keep doing it. But if we say what is your age and we say like an actual integer like 15, then it'll say you are 15 years old. So yeah, and once the success works, it'll stop looping. And I mean, I guess you could do float. I don't know if it works the same way, but let me try. Like, if we say, yeah, okay, it does work the same way. If we did so value error is for like integers, floats, other types of stuff like that. But I mean, you can just test it, see what error you get if you type in something weird. Like, okay, well, slash, yeah. So, I mean, that's basically the tutorial. Yeah. So this is good for like stuff where you don't want the code to stop like ever. Like you want it to be like you don't have to click run ever again. This is nice. And then while loop is just amazing.